Mhm. Hi, this is the video number 2 about communication skills. So here's with me is Komal Shinde and myself is Shraddha Tushar Padare. So today we have chosen the topic technology is making us very lazy. So personally, I think about this topic is that yes, technology is really making us lazy. We are much more dependent on technology rather than using our skills or brains because machines and technology have made our time very we can do many more things in that much time of period. So technology is also a blessing for us in day-to-day life. I do agree with that, but what do I don't agree is that we don't use our brain in that much way for because of machines and all. So if we have to do a simple calculations like calculating three figure of number, addition, subtraction, we just take out our mobiles and we just do calculations, and our uh, work is been done by the technology only. So this is the main drawback. I feel that it has made us lazy by using these technologies or machines. So Komal, what do you think about this?
Yes, Shraddha, I totally agree with you. But my, as per my um, guess, just I want to say, latest technology is growing up very fastly. So many people
Yeah.
very dependent on technology for a small
Yes.
purpose, very small purpose. Whenever we want some contact numbers, they go to on mobile contact number, see that and call them. In old some people earlier days, some people use mobiles or telephone numbers. They recall them and dial that number and call it. But now people are uh,
Yeah.
everything is ready made. They got everything is ready made, so they can't do any hard work or do can't do any uh, uh, hard work or etc. Okay.
Your point is also correct. Even I agree. Machines, our time is very, we can manage our time instead of spending a lot of time in that particular work. We can just divide that time in for ourselves also. I feel personally feel like that because being a household means wife or whatever, we know how machines helps us in day to day life.
Yes.
so rather it be a washing machine, it helps our time management system because once we put the clothes in the washing machine, it's automatically get washed. Just we have to just we have to
Okay.
get the clothes out and we have to keep it to dry. So our the half or 1 hour is really being saved by these machines.
Okay.
So there are many positive side of it and negative side of it also.
Okay. The improvement in
Hmm.
technologies is also don't do side effects. It's very advantageous to people or very disadvantageous to people. Uh, Rarely we say that in industrial area, uh, uh, technology is very fastly improved. Therefore,
Yeah.
uh, all of the works are mostly done on machines. So
Yeah.
we So human power is less. Their appearance of human power is very less. So is the uh, main drawback of our uh, industrial area, because unemployment is very increased in that area because of
Hmm.
totally 99% work done by the machines. What do you say?
Yeah, yeah, right. Yes, technology is also been increased. There is also positive. We can take it in a very positive way. Like, see, because of this COVID thing, everything has been online only. So
Okay.
the education is also become online only. If we had not have means if we were not having this technology, then it was not possible in this pandemic that students how can be they educated now.
Yes,
So
yes.
this technology has really helped us that by sitting on one place we can connect to many other parts of the countries or any part of the country. So technology has really helped us even in the industry sector where we are not really, we have to go to job and then we have to do over their work. So this time has been reduced, so we can also do work from home right now, thanks to technology. For that we can say it has really proved a boon in this pandemic for us.
Yes, I agree with that. But it's very
Yeah.
it gives us very beneficial to us because of the small people or kids are learning online for different
Yeah.
apps.
Yeah, they are learning, but what happens now, they are really very you can understand when we are children we were mostly playing outside games only, outside door games only. So in our generation what happens now, they are so addicted to this mobile and this technology now. If they don't get to watch the TV for 5 minutes or mobile or YouTube for 5 to 10 minutes, they are just like disturbed. I have not watched this, I have not watched that. So they are really concerned about this technology. What will happen if this technology will be vanished someday? I'm really worried about this thing right now, because I can say from my personal experience that my I have two kids, and they literally they want the mobile to eat their food also. When they have the mobiles in the hand, they literally do they will eat their food very nicely, they will talk very softly. When we will say that don't take mobile, first eat your food, then take the mobile and watch, they will be, no mama, we want right now and then we'll eat the food. So being a mother, I'm very scared that what will happen in some or few years, in the coming years, to this generation, because our generation was not like that. We don't have that much technology or handset or whatever. We never had that. We just had computers in our school, we did their practice. So there was only one specific day in the school that we were having computer lectures, then only we are going to practice on that
Okay,
regarding
yeah,
technology or
yes,
whatever. So I don't know what is going to happen in the coming future. It's very thoughtful. We should think on this topic. Really, it's so very hard. You know.
yes. It is the one of the bad impact of our childrens. Okay, I agree with that. But but with the help of technology,
Yeah.
so many students making their study very easily, and they stay home and they give the lots of time to do practice or do a very extra experiments on their particular topic, so they can enhance their knowledge very easily. It is a beneficial to our students, like uh, which students do their degree courses or diplomas or and so on their careers. So it is so beneficial to our students.
Yeah, students means take example of ourselves only.
Yes,
We are just doing
we
our
also we
classes.
also face this. You know, we
Yeah, great examples are we too right now.
okay. You just this pandemic is not occurred in that situation. We want to going to class there present and go there some lectures attend, and whenever come back to our home we is so tired. After that, no to stamina to do any work or any do study any. That's why it is very nice to us.
Hmm. Really, this technology is really a boon for us, because there are very positive sides of it and negative sides of it. But if we use the technology in a positive manner, then technology can't harm us in that very well way. So I'm really on the side of advantages of the technology.
I also.
Because it has helped us, because it's very difficult to manage your two kids and then go to a class, then come back from there. So these are responsibilities are not very easy, but because of this technology, we can connect through any part, anywhere. And our time management is really been good, because we can give that time to our kids. The traveling time is being reduced.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So more you can tell me about on this topic, Komal?
Yes, it is a technology improvement or makes people lazy. It's in less quantity, but people's lessly. I want to say that people's in rarely people's getting lazy for the using of technology, but some people do their own work independently, not dependent on machines or technology.
Yeah, in our, when we'll come back to our generation, not our, means our moms and dads generation. So that
Okay.
time there were no any technologies. Mom
Yes.
has to wash the clothes by her own. There were no cleaning utensils machines that time. So there were no any mop or cleaners in the house. They have to do it by their own. And that time the ratio was very low of people falling ill, or people are facing problem with their health issues, because
Yes.
by doing the work by themselves, their health was really maintained really very well. And just think about our generations. We have washing machines, we have the utensils cleaners, more mopping the floor and vacuum cleaners. So these has really reduced our work. We are just dependent on that thing. So our body doesn't move that much because of machines. We are just relaxed. We have to just keep on exercising for that purpose.
Okay.
This is the thing because of the technology.
Okay, I agree. This is one thing of a robotic technology because of the many of the works, 99% work done by the machines or new technologies. Therefore, the
Yeah.
people are enjoy their life very well. But some work depends on the machine. Do the machine work very easily? So we arrange our time to do extra work or to do
Yeah.
invest time, our valuable time in our career, focus on career, or do extra, implement extra new things.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we get that much time to really learn more things from this. Even I personally use this technology in a very positive way, because when my kids want to eat outside, so because of this pandemic, we can't go outside or order anything. We are not at that risk-taking point that no. So I literally open YouTube and just search for recipes and make for them. So it's not really that much hard, but it's very nice that we have this technology for us. We can use them for our kids in a very positive way. So I'm really like this technology what it is developing nowadays. And in coming future, I don't know what this technology will be. Because this much it is helping us right now, then our kids, when they will go through this all, they will build up very new technology in that generation. That will be very helpful for them, I think so.
Okay.
Yeah.
One of the beneficial technology is that whenever we're tired, some housewives, that some wives are getting tired to making food, cooking. That's why they order online food.
Yeah.
That it is taking a less time, so it is beneficial also.
Yeah. Yeah, even a mother can fall sick, even a wife can fall sick.
Yes.
So that term, it helps a mother a lot and a family. Besides sleeping like empty stomach, we can just order when our mom is
Yes.
not well or wife is not well. So that is very good.
Yes.
And this pandemic really taught us very nice lesson, because every each and everyone in our family took us for granted every time. So like, whatever happens, she's there. She's not going to
Yes,
get sick anytime. Why we have to depend on hotels or whatever for our food? So because of this pandemic, when a lady gets corona positive, she has to be quarantined. She's not allowed to do a specific work, not even a single work.
yes,
She has to just be quarantined and uh, just be sleeping or doing rest. So because of this, they have get a clear idea that we should not take her for granted.
yes.
So this is the main thing that everyone has understood.
Oh, people are very closely connected to each other in family during this
Yeah.
pandemic.
Yeah. So there are very if see, life is like, there are positive and negative, both things come in hand. There is not a single thing which comes like there is only positive way of it, or they don't have any negative consequences. No, because whatever I have watched and I have experienced in my life, I have experienced that it always comes with positive terms and negative terms too. So it's in our hand that how we handle the situation positively or negatively. That is the main thing which will help in our life, you know.
Yes.
So more you can tell me about that.
So that's why we take technology makes us lazy. It's taking us to positively manner because of technology. No getting lazy to makes people too lazy. It's growing up or to do spiritual things to our people.
Yeah, we can also get motivated through this technology, because we women feel very we have very downs in our life, if anything just irritate us, we just become feel so down and so lazy, so we are not in that mood that we have to get up, we have to do this work. There is no enthusiasm for that. So when we will open app or whatever, just Google the motivational speeches or spiritual speeches, will on it and will listen to it for 5 or 10 minutes, whatever the time will be. We'll just feel like motivated within the seconds by just hearing that. So technology is really very good. I personally have very positive experience from this, because whenever I feel low, I just open and whatever makes me happy, I do that.
Okay.
I can imagine my life without this technology.
Yes. You also and every people don't imagine life without technology. Technology
Yeah,
gets people's life very easily, easier or very
yes,
smooth life of this with the help
yeah,
of this technology.
yes. I do agree with it.
Okay, can we complete all of the points of this topic?
Okay, you can speak.
Technology, just technology is developed or improved. The all of the some drawbacks of technology overcomes through the new technology or enhancement of technology. Just like
Yeah,
we know about the computer versions. Old versions
yeah.
are old versions of the computer are lessly facilities, but
Yeah.
now the facilities or the like just operating system there are very developed in, so that's why the very the beneficial or useful to our IT sectors.
Yes. Technology is never the same. It never remains the same, because it
Or
always get
never
upgraded
constant.
by month and month.
Every
Yeah,
time
it
it's
never stays
upgraded.
constant. Yeah, it's always get upgraded. And in our field, we have to even we have to be upgraded. Now we are doing a particular class. We can't tell in coming future we'll be able to stand with this course. We have to also upgrade our life that time, upgrade our
Yes,
skills, upgrade our knowledge. So technology is all about upgrading ourselves from one version to another version
Another.
of ourselves.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. So how much we have recorded? I don't know when we have started, because when we start speaking now, I
Hmm.
literally don't know how much time we are speaking and what we are speaking. I'm just on the terms we have to speak.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, then can we stop here or continue?
Uh, had we completed 20 minutes?
I
I
think
really doubt on that. Wait a minute, I'll just check. Yes, we have completed, I think, 20 minutes.
okay then.
Okay, then we'll stop here. We'll keep it till here only.
Okay. Okay, fine. Hello, bye.
Okay, then. Okay, bye, Komal.
Bye, Shraddha.